Wealthsimple Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Wealthsimple is an intuitive robo-advisor designed to simplify investing for people who prefer a hands-off approach while still achieving diversified portfolios with a low cost. It's ideal for beginners, busy professionals, or anyone who doesn't want to actively manage their investments but wants to ensure they're putting money in the right places. The platform automatically builds and manages your portfolio using a mix of ETFs tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Wealthsimple uses modern portfolio theory, which focuses on maximizing returns while minimizing risk, and it does so at an affordable management fee of 0.5% annually for portfolios under $100,000. For users with portfolios over $100,000, the fee drops to 0.4%, which is still competitive in the robo-advisor space. What sets Wealthsimple apart is its ease of use. Creating an account takes minutes, and the platform walks you through each step, from risk assessment to portfolio selection. You also have the ability to set up automatic deposits, making it a great option for long-term investors who prefer to automate the process. For those who want to go beyond basic investing, Wealthsimple offers socially responsible investing (SRI) options, which allow you to invest in companies and industries that align with your values, whether that's climate change, diversity, or clean energy. One downside to Wealthsimple is its limited range of investment options. Unlike self-directed platforms, you can't choose individual stocks or mutual funds. However, the robo-advisor's ETF portfolio options are still diverse and cover a wide range of sectors, so it's still a strong option for those looking for broad exposure. Another feature worth noting is the ability to open tax-advantaged accounts like RRSPs and TFSAs in Canada or IRAs in the US, which can be a great advantage for optimizing your tax situation. In terms of customer service, Wealthsimple offers email support, and while they don't have live chat, they're known for quick responses to inquiries. For those looking for a simple, low-fee, hands-off investing solution, Wealthsimple provides a solid, straightforward choice. If you're okay with not having full control over individual investments and want an easy way to start investing, it's an excellent option. But if you're looking for more advanced tools or want to hand-pick stocks, you might need to look elsewhere.